Second big change is the selfie camera is behind the display here. Can't even see it, can you? But it's back there. So it is a 4 megapixel sensor behind the glass and the display panel, hidden by a pixelated array, and it's decently hidden in most cases where you're not really looking for it, better than a notch anyway. But the image quality, as we've seen with this first generation of selfie cameras, is not great. So it uses this dehazing algorithm that successfully brings a lot of the contrast and sharpness back, and even though it looks super processed, it's definitely usable for just a normal selfie. But in most instances, you're going to want to close it up and use a hole punch selfie camera for a much better quality. Or if you really want a better quality shot, you can actually just use the main cameras, and that's going to be way better. Now, obviously, there's still going to be times where you just conveniently got to use the inside selfie camera. Maybe there's a video call or they're doing something on the big screen, you just want to take a quick selfie. Then you're going to have to deal with the RGB haloing, and you can kind of see the pixels the camera is looking through, especially in bright environments and with any highlights. But, it's fine. It's a little gimmicky, but it does give you that nearly bezel-less edge-to-edge display.